In this video, we are going to cover the sound the. The sound is created by bringing the tip of your tongue forward. Set it right beneath your top front teeth and in between your bottom lip. Then push air towards the tip of your tongue and phonate at the same time. The. Make sure that when you're doing this sound, that the sound is coming out and the air is coming out right on the sides of your mouth right here. The reason it doesn't come out right over the tip of your tongue is because the tip of your tongue is what's vibrating up against your bottom front teeth, and that's what's creating the vibrating sound. So make sure the air is escaping here, not here. Use this phrase to practice. Those worthy people loathed clothing while they sunbathed. Those worthy people loathed clothing while they sunbathed. Hear the sound Practice this phrase with me. Those worthy people loathe clothing while they sunbathe. Those worthy people loathe clothing while they sunbathe. Each time you pronounce the v, make sure that the sound is coming out of the sides of your mouth and not the front. Now that we've established the center of the phoneme target, let's talk about the secondary ring. The secondary ring of this phoneme target sounds like a d instead of a v. The outer ring of mispronunciation oftentimes sounds like a th instead of a v. If your v is sounding like th, it means that you're not phonating. That's it for this video, and I will see you in the next.